there, I'm Kakak Dee, and today we're going to be making a dream catcher. What you're going to need for this craft is a ball of string, you're going to need some beads, a plate, you're going to need ribbon, feathers, paint, a cup with some water in it, and a brush. You're going to need scissors, and lastly you're going to need a hole puncher. So we've got to cut our plate. So the easy way to cut it is, first you got to fold it in half. And then you just follow the line here. You cut a circle. Yeah, so what I like to do is cut it into triangles because it's a bit easier to get it pretty, you know? Cut, cut. Alright. Once you're done cutting, this is what it looks like. You take your hole puncher, you punch a hole, and then you get the opposite end and you punch a hole. And then from this side, punch a hole, and then opposite end. So now we've got 4 holes, but we want 8 holes, so we'll do another round. Let's go. So this is what it should look like when you're done. Next, get your paint. You want to paint the entire surface of your plate. We'll do some pink. Okay, now that that's done, this is what it should look like. So you take your string, put your string through the hole. So from the back, go to the front, and then you do it to the next hole, right next to it. From the back, go to the front. And then you want to do this all the way around. Make sure you get a lot of string so that it's not stuck halfway. You want to pull it all the way. This loop to this loop, you have 1 string. So this acts as the hole. So with your string just now, you go from the back to the front and pull. It's the same motion, you just gotta make sure you don't get mixed up on which hole is next. So can you see how it's in the second layer now? So you wanna make sure that when you put it through, you don't put it through the first layer. You wanna get its second hole. One by one. Leave some space so your web will look so nice and neat. Okay, make sure you don't get tangled up. Okay, now make sure when you feed the string through each hole, you make sure it's tight so that it doesn't come loose. In, from the bottom to the top, and pull. It's the same motion over and over and over. So you just gotta get the hang of it, and then it'll be great. See, so you just pull it, and there you have it. Okay, so we need the hole puncher again. One end, get the second end. Now you want to get your feathers. 1, 2, 3. So you take your string, let's put it through the hole again. Now we want to tie another knot around our feather. Once you're done tying the feather to the string, you just get your beads and you put it in the top. And those are your feathers! See? Next step. So we take our feathers and we just go put it through the hole that we made from the front to the back, and then we tie another knot. 1, and then a double knot just to make sure your feathers don't fly off somewhere. And then you do the exact same thing for the next 2 holes for your next 2 feathers. Okay, so there you have it. You have your own dream catchers. This is what mine looks like. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I hope you guys have fun making your own dream catchers. And remember, it can be any color, any feather, any beads, any string, whatever. You have fun with it. Because it's art and art's supposed to be fun. Okay, so thanks for watching again. Bye!
Lat Tali Lat.